Tonight, Bristol, Tennessee and Virginia residents got some answers on what's in the air that they are breathing near the Bristol, Virginia landfill.
The City of Bristol, Tennessee released a public health assessment last month, and residents heard from the toxicologist who wrote it tonight. One chemical brought up in that report: benzene.
The Environmental Protection Agency says benzene exposure can irritate your skin, eyes, and upper respiratory tract. In serious cases, it can also cause cancer. John Janko was at tonight's meeting.
He has the latest on how this could impact people's health around the landfill tonight. John?
Josh, Sarah, I'm at the Slater Community Center where the meeting was held tonight, and right now I can smell what's coming from the landfill, and it is pretty intense. Despite severe concerns from residents, toxicologist Dr. Laura Green reiterated that this landfill odor is not causing long-term health effects. Benzene was detected at high levels in the air, but it is not the cause of short-term health effects.
Those kind of short-term effects I feel are mostly caused by the other compounds, the biodegradation products of the garbage.
Bristol residents suffering from headaches and nausea for months learned it's likely being caused by malodorous gases from decomposing trash. Bristol, Tennessee resident Mike Givney says there is more work to be done to understand the smell's impact.
This might be a good baseline, but I think there was a lot that may not have been looked at enough. And there's probably more testing that's needed.
Givney and his wife evacuated their home, living in a camper outside of town because the smell was causing significant problems.
We can't spend more than 40 minutes in our house without splitting headaches, nosebleeds, and nausea.
Green says the compounds causing the short-term effects are not at toxic levels, but they can cause problems for pets.
I can't imagine a situation in which some non-human mammals will be very bothered by this, stop eating, stop drinking, and, may pass away because of it.
As for the benzene, Green says it is not coming from trash, but suspects a leaking gasoline storage tank is contaminating the wastewater, and says it may not even be located at the landfill.
As far as I can tell, they just kind of let it happen. So I don't understand that. It makes no sense to me.
But benzene hasn't been the cause of the smell either. That is likely due to a subsurface reaction deep below some of the gas wells that is generating intense heat. Green says the air quality issues are largely solved, but engineering a fix to the smell is much more difficult.
Trying to put out a smoldering reaction that's, let's say 100 feet down into a heap of garbage and dirt turns out to be not easy to fix.
Dr. Green says the problems at the landfill are fixable if the federal government and the state of Virginia provide the funding and assistance to get it done, but that could take a long time. Live in Bristol, Virginia, John Janko, News Channel 11.